Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to Texas Farmstead Living. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make evaporated milk. Recipes call for 1 can of evaporated milk, which is 12 ounces. So that is our goal for the amount of homemade evaporated milk that we're gonna make today. So you can replace your canned evaporated milk with made from scratch evaporated milk. So let's get started. The equipment that you will need is a wooden spoon, and I like to use this flat-edged wooden spoon, a saucepan, and the saucepan that I'm using today is a all-clad saucepan, and it is made in America. And I've been using this one for about 20 years, and it really does a good job at not scorching or burning food. So, you might want to try that. You'll also need a glass measuring cup, and the ingredients that you'll need is milk. Today we are using our raw milk from our milk cow, our Jersey cow Belinda, but use whatever milk you have available. If you're interested in seeing any videos about family milk cows, we do have a lot to watch on our channel. The first thing we're going to do is I bought a can of evaporated milk because I wanted to open it and I wanted to put it in my glass measuring cup so that we could, just make sure and see exactly the amount of evaporated milk in the can. Okay, it is 1.5 cups of evaporated milk comes in 1 can, 1 12-ounce can. And so most recipes call for this amount. So we want to make sure that we make at least 1.5 cups of homemade evaporated milk. Okay, to our saucepan, we are going to add 3.5 cups of milk. Because even though half of that is, more than 1.5 cups, I like to make a little extra just in case, so I have a little wiggle room in there. So let's add that to our saucepan. And I really like to use whole milk. I think you will get better results. Okay, now we're ready to put this on the stove and bring it to a simmer. So then we're going to reduce the heat just enough to maintain a simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. So what we want is for the milk to reduce by half. So let me give you a little tip that might help you. So if you'll take a permanent marker, you can kind of mark on your pan where the milk line is, and then just kind of divide that in half and watch for maybe that'll help. So let's bring this to a simmer. And you're going to need to stir it, every once in a while to prevent it from sticking, and make sure you don't put a lid on it. After the milk is reduced, you may want to strain it. Let it cool in the pan, and then you can store it in a canning jar in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. I hope you will make your own made from scratch evaporated milk. It is so simple and so cost effective. Thank you for watching. From our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Karen, creator of the YouTube channel and blog Texas Farmstead Living, where we inspire, educate, and guide you into living your healthiest, best life. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you.